menu I Moja TV now, Moja TV there. No one so be subscribe, be comment, be share, no like it. Moja TV there. In fact,
oh, I'm into me chair. Nana me pacho, and I say now the who are events.
Oh, at Obia Bobra Bokonanim. It wanted to talk last month at the annual new year where improvement be brabem and our organizational wise and also I think so we are very commended. It's a plus.
All right, I'm now Musao. Yanya opportunity I know wouldn't come on Moja TV there. Mami Musao, Kumawood no, Yambisa, sign a sequel, sign a directors and producers no, Womusiko because Wobia say say acquire YouTube and now acquire YouTube no, say directors and producers no, yeah, shadow who more YouTube was I come here quite individuals no, and I say stars and I know, and Omu YouTube. What are the producers saying about the YouTube no? What do a YouTube no? Say no music afa.
Sir, we shut down who or more. Make a travel net on authority. So we shall sumase abem. Or we shall sumase abem pa. Now we were trying sir movie betting me about back in its full galore. But Sadia, the system of world aircon, we don't think sir. You bet me as I can talk a set in him and you can say a it's a system. It's a unit to the YouTube. So let's all embrace it and follow it and then move with it.
All right, then I'm Musao. Say once Okasano. Now Okasa about say you're free. Say you can talk cassette, you can talk CD, and you can share a DVD. And I say a dekimu. Say Bibia Kwako YouTube no. And how we compare YouTube no? Anytime I try a DVD, any a cassette now. How much is the YouTube paying? Is it much better than a time and a CD and a cassette?
I will not use better, I will use best. And if there is any word that is bigger than best, I will use it. And I will say it's excellent. Financial wise, I think, sir, YouTube, you do your production according to your financial capacity. It's, we are YouTube over car. With time, no, you regain it. But CD time, over car. By YouTube, every day you improve upon what you are doing. The only problem is you gather your viewership and then the subscribing and other aspect. YouTube, I am much better than the cassette.
All right, if YouTube is much better than a cassette, let me ask you now. What has been the obstacle? Kumawood, movies, what has been the obstacle?
The obstacle is unity. We are killing our own selves. There's no unity, there's no discipline, and the ethics of the production is not working. What do I say? And these three key factors of life, if you go against it, you lose. Finally, you lose. So that has been the norm of the day. Discipline, disunity, and the ethics is going against us. Let's speak the truth and nothing else.
Nana, you are talking about the artists, and I say you are talking about major characters in that film. About majority of the artists, and also actors and actresses, and I say majority of them, they don't respect.
It's not about pointing figures at individual, but it's about collective job. The team players are not moving according to the ethics of the work itself. What we started off, we have left what we have to do. Do you get me? And normally this shows here the unity, the organizational aspect, the financial wise, and the respect for one another is lost. What I say? It's high time you don't hide anything. I speak with authority. I don't fear. I have sworn to go by the truth and nothing else. And if you ask me, we don't point fingers, but it's all by the team players, the filmmakers itself, from the head to the toe. Let him tell you, as we see a team playing, the strength of the team is limited. What you say? So to the film industry, the star need the PA or the extra to perform. Without the extra, the star cannot be complete. What I say? So therefore, without the director, there is no crew member. Without the crew member, there is no director. Until we come back to our senses and realize the importance of each other, we go like this.
Mami Musao, last question. Mami Musao. Oba to Musa as a YouTube for no mobile, no. Omu ana ako create problem our industry. And I say, are they helping the industry?
They have not created any problem for anyone. They know how to organize themselves. They know how to go about it. They have respect for each other. Like it. Our movie Muno, who regarded him? This one go to this one go repuobi. Is it good in the norms of Ghanaian culture? Is it good? No. But Odaniko on YouTube, look at how like he is going. He's not Yampo. He's the new sensation of the face of the movie and the face of the YouTube. What I said, we have to speak the truth. Yania, we have been our own enemies. Secretly, the most stars in YouTube, directors are directing YouTube. The producers are going behind somebody as frontliners. Producers never show much. I can give you some producers who are into YouTube. Let's face the facts.
Fantastic. Nana ready I'm now go wakasa pa. And I been say Ghana for any aje I the way I see kasa na. Nana mo last year comment I the Ghana for about Kumawood no. Sign na Kumawood no masi aboba me ho musi ba no na YouTube no. Sign no musu so si ya no. Can last word I the share Ghana for na yehu the way be si akọ.
Sakuma would so aboabo ne ho a aboabo ne ho akọhye series ni aboabo ne ho akọhye YouTube but so aboabo ne ho as Ghana film hwan no nyina aboa. It's a fact. So be aboabo ne ho be series we are not the series na go YouTube. What's it, so YouTube has come to say, let's all support it, let's push it, let's put weight behind the YouTube, and we all succeed.
All right, Yamba, Abeja phone na kwaba, Yamba she phone na kwaba. Na Attobrah ena ene kasa ene na Attobrah ye. Obi ani mi say bado Kumawood dia. Wase hoye pa. Nana di hine. Nana me pacho baby a wodi hine no pacho fatuja. Na Ghana fo a wo munim no, wo munsu hu baby a wakonya kese no. Enso ewo.
I don't see film so.
Okay.
All right. I don't see any pure.
Fantastic, Nana. All right, Nana. Independent Day, and Independent Day. Na assemble na oka. Edi achira Ghana for Ghana for fida. Yensu yedi.
If we want Ghana to go far, Ghanaians need to be disciplined and law-abiding. Sayani mraso ni enya ahosaswa Ghana siatia. Eti Ghanaians need to be disciplined, politicians need to be disciplined, mothers need to be disciplined, fathers need to be disciplined, children need to be disciplined. We all need to be disciplined and follow the norms of our tradition, and then we will be proud that we are Ghanaians. So, or maybe our culture. If we don't follow the culture of Ghana, we are doomed. But if we are ready to be disciplined and follow the culture of Ghanaians, hey, the sky will be our limit. So my message for all Ghanaians, sir, let's use this occasion as the independence to rebrand Ghana, and we will move forward. Thank you very much.
All right, I know I am an Attobrah. Wakasaye power say yeah, you this Independent Day no, and found rebranded Ghana. Yani ajiye pa yani aso. Aha, I am Mojabi TV. Yaguswa yani aya Kumawood stars yani aya YouTubers no. Yani aya celebrities no. Chechen komo yan jamu kra. Mungu suna Mojabi TV.